On July 6, 2025, officers responded to a 911 call about a domestic disturbance at a private residence. On arrival, the man they contacted swung from confused to combative, insisting it was just a conversation with his wife.
How you doing? Hey, Joe, what's going on?
I'm very confused. I'm not too sure.
Okay. Well, we got a call saying that you guys were fighting over it.
Not that I'm aware of.
Well, that's...
Grayson, can you please come up here? Stop! I'm talking to Grayson.
We don't need to speak to your son right now, okay?
Well, I'm wondering who called.
Okay, we're figuring out what's going on. What's going on? Is something going on here?
I mean, my wife and I were having a conversation on the couch, but there was no argument.
Okay.
So I'm wondering what's going on.
Somebody called us. He said you guys were fighting over it.
Okay, well, who is somebody?
Well,
my wife's right there. Heather, were you and I arguing?
Yes.
Oh, we were arguing.
Bye.
Hello, can I talk to you later?
Yeah, well, yeah.
Hello.
Talk to you in the house then?
Hi.
so, Joe, what was going on today? What were you guys arguing about?
I'm very confused. Now I'm very confused.
There's nothing to be confused about. It's a simple question. You even said you were arguing on the couch. What were you guys arguing about?
We were having a conversation on the couch.
Okay. Obviously, it turned into an argument. You didn't said so.
What's going on here?
If we're here, somebody called us and you told us to get the
Go inside. Go do what you gotta do. I didn't do anything wrong.
We're
Out of my life.
here to figure out what's going on.
Okay, then good luck. Do what you gotta do. Because you know what? All I did was have a conversation with my wife. So I don't know what the hell you are here for.
We've explained it 3 times.
And you could go.
We've explained it 3 times.
I don't care. Take me to jail. Do what you people need to do. So I'm getting angry.
Why are you getting angry, man?
Because there was no issues here in my house.
Then we'll be gone and out of
All
here
right, then
in
get
2
the
minutes.
out of here.
When we're done, we'll do that.
Then go in the house. I don't care.
Am I yelling at you? Why don't you calm down? Relax.
Why don't you? I'm confused. Why are you here?
Because I've explained it 4 times over here. We got a call that you were fighting here.
Who
So now
put the call in?
to figure out what's going on.
I want to know who put
Instead
the
of being
call in.
argumentative, you can.
Okay, well, you know what? If you take me to jail, it's
What are
going
we
to
taking
come
you
up.
to jail for?
I said if you do take me to jail, it better come up.
Okay, well, is there any reason why we need to take you to jail?
I don't see why not. You know what happened today?
No,
I had a gorgeous day. I made myself a beautiful lunch. I made myself homemade tostadas. I chop up potatoes and onions. I make a meat sauce with it, and then I made myself some rice. And then for dinner, I made my family chicken cutlets. And we had a beautiful dinner. We sat down and had dinner, and then you people showed up. So who the f*** is calling?
Show up for no reason.
Who did? Well, then tell me why you did show up.
As officers tried to separate everyone and get the basics, the tone escalated, according to the arrest report. After drinking throughout the day, the man turned an argument into a confrontation and intentionally spat in his wife's face. The children who witnessed the incident and called 911 told officers he threw a child's car seat, kept yelling, and spit on their mother. Portions of the bodycam video are redacted, but the available audio captures the man's rising hostility and repeated challenges to the officers, including moving toward them after clear commands to stop. Taken together, the victim's account, corroboration from the children, and the on-scene behavior, officers determined they had probable cause to make an arrest.
Why don't you tell us what happened after that?
You
to be here.
Why the f*** you here? I had chicken cutlets for
Because
dinner.
of you and your attitude, probably.
Because I haven't had you, bro.
Yeah,
That's why
probably
you're
why
here.
we're here.
Oh, well, I hope there's a law for that.
I'm guessing that's the same way you were talking to your wife, and that's why somebody called us.
Because you can't stand up straight. You're raising your voice for no reason.
It's like, do you want me to do a field sobriety test?
You're not driving, so no.
Okay, so I can stand up straight right here.
Okay. But I mean, you know,
What do you? Hey,
if one thing leads to another.
Why do people here? Now it only makes sense to me. That's all.
Yeah, good. Glad it makes sense. Let me get some answers now.
Oh, very glad. Find a reason to arrest me. Find a.
I said I wanted to arrest you.
Well, find a reason.
Trying to have a simple conversation, but you're argumentative.
Because you can't explain why you're here, dumbass.
Don't fucking encroach on me.
I did not encroach on you.
You are encroaching.
Nor am I near.
Good. Don't come near me.
Joe.
Very well.
Or I will
Very
far away from me.
Joe. Don't. Okay. We're trying to resolve the differences between you and your wife. So that we can go on our way and then you can go to bed or something like that. Like, you're not telling us anything other than you guys were having an argument on the couch.
We had a beautiful dinner. I made chicken. Do you like chicken cutlets?
What was the
Do you
time?
like chicken cutlets?
Was the time on the couch before or after dinner?
Wait, pardon me?
Was that before or after dinner you guys were on the couch?
I mean, I've been on the couch all day.
Okay.
I mean, before dinner and after dinner.
I mean, obviously you told me you got up and made some different meals throughout the day. But...
I did. I have. I have. And you know what? 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4.
How was your 4th of July weekend, Joe?
It's gorgeous. Look, he's pretty.
You got math figured out anyway.
I do. I have math figured out, don't I? What do you got on me? What are you going to do? What are you going to come and
We'll wait to see what your wife says. Meantime, why don't you shut up and stand there?
Why don't you go off?
So,
Why don't you off?
back away from me, Joe. Do not
Why
step
don't
towards
you
me.
off?
Joe, do not step towards me.
Joe, talk to me.
Do not step towards
Why
me.
don't you?
Do not step towards me.
Fuck off. Why don't you off? Because you're going to go to jail.
You're going to jail.
You're going to go to jail. Go ahead. Here we go. What are you arresting me for?
We're going for domestic battery.
For what?
Just told you that's battery.
For what?
I just told you.
For what?
Move.
You people are a scumbag.
Okay.
Go.
Come on.
What, bitch? 391 on your car. Hey, you people are scumbags.
Okay.
And I ain't going to jail for nothing.
I got a seat, sir. Please say thank you.
Go f
yourself. I got a seat.
Go f yourself.
Yeah.
Fucking hurts, man. Hey, officer. What am I getting arrested for?
A few things.
Huh?
A few things.
Well, let me know. What am I getting arrested for? Officer! Officer!
What?
What did I do? Are you stupid?
The man was taken into custody and booked on suspicion of domestic battery, aggravated assault, and resisting a peace officer. These are allegations. The case now moves to prosecutors and the courts, and he is presumed innocent unless proven guilty.